Hello, guten Abend. Where are you watching me from? Ich bin Nicole aus Nicole, Kenya. Thank you for logging into this channel again. Today I'm going to be specific on the things I want to discuss. I know I've done a video earlier about the fully sponsored visa, and today I'm going to elaborate more the process of applying, even the website, and even where you could get, like, going just through everything until you get to Deutschland. So in that, I'm going to touch the key sectors that are really marketable in German economy and in German job sector. Those are the engineering, mechanical or civil and electrical. We have the IT software development. If you are in healthcare, especially nurses and doctors, we have skilled traders, electricians, plumbers, and others. Research and academia, logistics and truck driving, if you're a truck driver, hospitality and tourism. So for the job types, those are the blue card eligible jobs requiring a university degree and high level of understanding of your field, and they pay well. We have vocational jobs, Ausbildung. Those are the vocational training schools. And then we have the shortage occupation jobs, lower barriers for the work visa. That is the step one, that when you are applying for a job in Germany, you need to consider. Step two, prepare yourself well with all the documents. So let's do the document checklist. You are going to have the CV in a European format or in a German format, motivational letter or cover letter. We have university and college degree, work experience certificates, and language proficiency. And also for the unskilled workers, make sure you have all this. The only thing that we lack here is the degree. Then you must have German language B1, preferably B2 for most jobs hire for, mostly for healthcare, for nursing, and English they want B2 and C1 for the tech. So let me go to skills. Get certification in your field, e.g. AWS and PMP, Cisco, etc. Then learn German if required. Most jobs will need you to learn German, but not all. So for the ones that need you to have German language, please do. Let me go to top job portals where you can apply. We have number one is Make It in Germany official portal. You can just Google. Number two is Jobros or the Bundesgentra für Arbeit, that is BA, and then Stepstone DE, and then Indeed DE, LinkedIn Jobs, and then we have Zing.com. Zing.com, that is the German version of LinkedIn. It's called Zing.com. Then company career pages like Siemens, BMW, SAP, Bosch, and etc. Tips for finding fully funded jobs. Those are, use keywords like visa sponsorship, relocation support, and English speaking jobs if you know you are not well conversant with German language. Apply to multinational companies with global hiring programs. Consider research institutes and universities if you are an academia. I'm going to step 4, that is application process. So tailor your application. Use the German style CV. Write a motivational letter and personalized cover letter. Submit via employer's portal or email. So let's go through the interview process. First round is HR recruiter and general background. Number 2, your second interview will be technical and team lead. Number 3 will be final round, that is management or project presentation, often conducted via Zoom, MS Teams, or Skype, mostly Zoom. Number 5, the 5th step is job offer and work visa application. So type of work visa, we have AU Blue Card for university graduates. Job must pay a minimum salary of around 45,300,000 euros. So they pay around 45,300 euros yearly. And then because of the shortage of workers in Germany, stand work visa number 2 For non-degree skills workers and unskilled workers, those are from the vocational training school. If you're a nurse or you went through vocational training, the ones you call the colleges in your country. Then we have job seekers visa. If you want to come and search, that is goes for 6 months, you come and search for a job, but you use the job seekers visa. Please make sure that you do the fully covered or fully sponsored. Visa requirements is valid passport, job offer letter, proof of qualifications may be needed via ANABIN, then CV or resume, then health insurance. As I said, you can take a DOMI insurer, then proof of accommodation. Mostly the employer, the other side, they'll send you the accommodation details. Then we have visa application form and fee. Then visa application location. Apply at German embassy or consulate in your home country. I would still advise that you apply at German embassy. Process time usually takes around 6 to 12 weeks because you have to go through the interview, first, second, and third, depending on the country where you are applying for. Step number 6 is now it's time now to move to Germany. What do you do as you plan now to move? Book your flight ticket. I said use a dummy ticket until it's proven. Arrange initial accommodation, that is hotel, Airbnb or employer provided. Most of the time the employer should provide in our case because we are looking for fully funded jobs. Prepare and translate your documents to German or English. If you are not English speaking nation, then for instance Tanzania, please change your CV to German or English. Then after arrival, now we're already in Germany. Register address is called Anmeldung. Within 14 days of arrival, get health insurance immediately you reach Germany. Open bank account. Get tax ID. Start your job. Application for permanent residency that usually takes around 33 to 60 days or months, depending with the kind of visa. Optional pathways research. When you want to research for PhD academia researchers, just go and Google the DAD portal. So tips for success: use professional translation of document if needed. If you are changing your document to German language, please use professional persons. Learn at least basic German A1 and B1. Be proactive. Follow up with as many applications as you can. Network on LinkedIn and German platform. Be patient, it may take few months. Would you like to be helped by drafting your CV or cover letter? Then reach out to my inbox, and I think that is done. So let me go to top job platforms with visa sponsorship listings. Number 1 is Glassoda visa sponsorship in Germany. Explore hundreds of open positions in that platform. Number 2 is englishjobs.de visa sponsorship listings. Also, you can check this portal. You will get so many jobs are listed there. Then we have LinkedIn visa sponsorship in Germany. Make sure you indicate Germany. Number 4, we have Jobros de Bundagasten for Arbeitet Euros. I'm also going to put all these names on your description. Please check. Direct company career pages, major employers, companies with a record of sponsoring international talented frequently post positions on their website like Siemens, Deutsche Bahn, SAP, Bosch, and DHL, and Charity Hospital. So let me go very fast on how to use these platforms, these job application platforms like Glassoda. Search keywords like visa sponsorship or relocation support. For LinkedIn, use filters like location, Germany, and keywords visa sponsorship. For English.jobs.de, browse visa sponsorship, then tag categories of English roles. Then for EURES and JobRace, use filter for foreign candidate language and sponsorship info. For company career, search the career section. For international applicants or relocation assistance keywords, make sure you indicate. Action plan summary. I'm going very fast to summary. Start with Current listings: glass order, English.de. Glass order is for visa sponsorship Germany. English DE is for visa sponsorship for English speakers. LinkedIn is filter for visa sponsorship roles in Germany. Expound to official portals, that is, use Jobrace or Euros to find governmental support openings, and then target key employers. Check Siemens, Bosch, SAP, Deutsche Bahn, DHL, etc. Apply truly and send as more applications as you can. I'm just wishing you all the best. That is what I had for today, taking you through the application process and all that. So I would say thank you for watching this video, and see you in my next video. Cheers.